Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make professional looking banners really easily. So here we're going to go ahead and take a look at the design elements first. So we can see I have a background here. I have a picture of a woman, and then I have a version of her with the background removed. I have a button here. I have some bullet text, and then I have a headline. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the blank canvas here. Now I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop the background to the canvas, and we're just going to resize this so it fits. This can be pretty much any background you want. And it's going to be very easy to do. So once we have this set, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next element. So we're going to go ahead and grab the lady here and then drag and drop her to the canvas as well. So we can see her feet or her legs are kind of chopped or kind of off here. So we're going to go ahead and just blend this out. So it's a real easy process. We're just going to go ahead and just fade her legs out here so it looks more professional. And then we're going to go back to the photo bin here and move on to the next element. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste the button here, or drag and drop the button to the canvas, and then we're going to go ahead and move her a little bit to the left. And then we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop the bullet text and the headline, and we're pretty much done with our ad. Now, the important thing to mention here is that you need to make sure that you have an outline on the text, right? So I have a white outline and I have a black outline. Now it's important that this outline is here, otherwise you're not going to be able to actually read this text. So let me go ahead and give you guys an example. So we can see here, you're able to read it fine, but if I was to remove this outline, it would be almost unreadable. So in order to have these ads look professional, you have to have an outline here. Otherwise, it will look very unprofessional looking and not be very difficult for the user to actually read. So just make sure you have a white outline outside the text. So if we go back to the ad here, we can see it's pretty much done now. We can adjust a few things here and there. We can add a new woman if we wanted to. We can do a lot of different things. But this is just kind of the basics of how you actually make professional ads. Shouldn't take more than 5 or 10 minutes with this method that I'm showing you guys. It's maybe like 4 or 5 elements and you're ready to go. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I hope it helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and take care.